Good morning. I'm Sukhjot Singh. I'm from BBA second year from Ethan's Business School. Me and my team of we all four students have worked on a research paper that was gaining insights on the perspective of women's safety in Hyderabad Metro. The reason we chose of women's safety in Hyderabad Metro was Hyderabad Metro had started in 2017, and most of the commuters, people travel from Hyderabad Metro, and women's safety is a rising topic in our state and the country. So that was the reason for selecting women's safety. In our research, we started on March. It took us 84 days to complete this, with which we had found we got 410 research, 410 papers of reviews from women computers who travel daily, regularly, or on occasionally basis. From this 410, we just found that 11% of them had faced harassment or verbal abuse. This 11%, 50% of them were unable to give the response or reaction to the people. It was due to fear or the outcomes. Then we also found that there are several apps, a call point button provided at metro station, but the awareness of it was very less. Such as TSAFE app is provided by the SHE team. There's a call button and there's a number provided by Hyderabad Metro. But most of them people, more than 50% of people, women don't know about it. The lack of awareness was the main cause that we found in the research paper. Then another thing that we found was off peak hours, there's less lights, there's no CCTV around the ground level downside the metro station, and there's no, we can say less or rare to no women staff available on metro platform to guide the women or someone to the metro stations. Like for someone who is traveling for the first time or a female who isn't actively interacting to a male person for asking like which metro station or while changing the metro, there was less staff. Like if there's a female staff provided over there, she would be comfortable and she could ask normally and easily.
I am Taruni from Ethians Business School, BBA second year student. We started this research to gain insights of how safe women feel while traveling in metro, because women's safety has always been a concern. Because while traveling, also women face some type of concern issues. We started this research for the same reason, to find what are the concerns they face while traveling in metro, in Hyderabad Metro. So while doing a research, we took around 14 surveys and 20 in-depth interviews. In those surveys, we found that in our survey data, there's 70% women feel safe traveling during day, and this perception drops at night. And 11% of our survey responders said that they face some kind of abuse or grouping and sexual harassment, etc. And in this 11%, 50% of incidents goes unreported. It is due to lack of awareness people have where they should report, what are the precautions they take, and if they're also concerned with if their name comes out in this, it might they might face a future issue, because it's been a FOMO, and of course it's been a FOMO for a lot of time that if anything is attached with a name, it gets attached with a lot of time. We are publishing from our with the help of our lecturers and with the help of our classmates.